we're talking about the comments, of course, your comments on immigration and the rise in immigration and the numbers rising too quickly. You stand by those comments then?
Well, I'm not sure it's in the papers. I haven't read it, but what I said, which I absolutely stand over, is all the research about public opinion shows that most people think immigration is a good thing for Ireland, and I think that too. It shows that most people think that the numbers in recent years have been too great, that a country of 5 million people dealing with an extra 100,000 people a year every year is too much. It's a struggle. What I also said, which maybe wasn't reported, is that a lot of people think it's a tap that the government can kind of, turn up or turn down or regulate. And that's not true. That's not how the world works now. If you want me to get into detail on that, I can. But, if anyone disagrees with me, I would ask them the very simple question, like, how much is too many? Is it 150, 200,000 a year, 500,000 a year?
If Vanna Patrick was here with Pat a little earlier, she talked about the comments as being, inappropriate. Or
was she asked the obvious question: how many is too many?
So you think it comes down to that? It's how many is too many. That the fact that we have so many.
Well, no. What did I say? Migration's been a good thing for Ireland on balance. I've always said that. It's good for our economy, good in terms of public services, makes our country a more interesting place. But the numbers in recent years have been
the country
high.
of 5 million people. We're seeing the population rise by 2%. So what's happening at the moment is too fast.
Yeah,
is your view?
No, it's 100,000 a year is too many.
Yeah.
Now, what I also said, and maybe that wasn't reported, and I've said all this before, is that some people are under the illusion that somehow this is like some sort of tap and the government can just kind of turn it up and down. That's not how it works. And I can go into excruciating detail as to why that's not the case. And I think that's one of the misperceptions and misconceptions has. Like, one thing I would have faced a lot as Taoiseach is, you're bringing all these asylum seekers into the country, as if I was handing out brochures in Kabul or Syria. Like, sure, I wasn't, of course, but that's what some people think. But again, look, if anyone disagrees with me, fine. I think immigration's been a good thing for Ireland. If they think it's been a bad thing, say why. I think 100,000 a year or 110,000 a year is more than we can manage. Let them tell me what they think is too many.